guys, today I'm going to help you learn how to download CCand Mods for The Sims 4. Don't worry, it's not hard, it's a very easy process. I had no clue what I was doing, but I learned and now I'm a pro at it, just like you would be at the end of this video. Now, let me show you the process of downloading CCand Mods. First thing you want to do is open your game. I already have mine open here. Now that you have your game open, you will click the three dots on the top right corner of your game. It will open the menu page that's right here. Next, you will click Game Option. Now that you are in the Game Option tab, you will go to the side panel and choose Options. Now that you are in the Options tab, you will see CCand Mods and Script Mods Allowed. You will want to make sure they are enabled. If not, they will not show up in your game. So this is very important. So go ahead and enable both. Now we can click out of The Sims 4. Now to the easy part. I get my CCand Mods from Google, Pinterest, The Sim Resources, Snooty Sims, and Patreon. Now I am on Pinterest. You will see all types of CCand Mods. Some will say visit site, or some will have links in the comment section. Now let me demonstrate on this CC. Click visit site. It will lead me to the site the CC is on, which is Tumblr. When it has multiple outfits like this, you can choose from any one. Once I scroll down, you will see the links for each outfit. As I click on one of the links, it will lead me to Patreon, another site that I use and also very good. Now I'm on Patreon. This is the creator who created the graphic tee. Now what you want to do is scroll down until you see attachment, which is right here with the package of her shirt. Next thing you want to do is click on it and allow it to download. As you can see, it's now downloading. Now, next thing we're going to do is exit out of Google, and I will go to my files. I will also teach you how to pin your mouse folder in your quick access. You will want to click on your documents, then electronic arts, then The Sims 4. Now you see all your game folders and more. Now left click the mouse folder, then right click your mouse folder. Choose pin to quick access. Now you should see your mouse folder is pinned to your quick access. Now go to your downloads, click and hold your file you just downloaded and drag it to your mouse folder. Now click your mouse folder. You should see your CC and your mouse folder just like this. Now we can exit files. And that's how you download CCand Mods.
But these bitches in my business come me out, choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me.